Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth MCreator tutorial, where today we're doing dimensions. So open up your MCreator, go to workspace, click dimension. Now, as I said before, you'll want a biome ready. So we're gonna go over two ways to make a dimension, like entrance, along with make it a dimension. So once you get in there, it's gonna ask you for properties. It's gonna ask for your main block, basically your stone of this world, your netherrack, your ender stone. For me, I just chose smooth quartz. I'm making a dreamland. Um, for fluid block, it's gonna ask for a liquid. Now you could do something like water or lava or air, but I'm gonna go with the root beer we made before. So the reason you need a biome is it will not let you save it if you do not have at least one biome for this dimension. So I put the biome I made. I made a chest biome. Then you decide what color do you want the sky and the fog. You can make it like a simple light shade of blue. This would you like them to sleep? If you can allow them to sleep, deny them to sleep, and have their bed explode if they try and sleep. So this will decide, like, it'll change creature spawning, the compass, uh, weather, all that, if you click it to imitate the overworld or not. This will decide if, basically, if there's something like a sun. Will there be light on its own? Um, for enable dense fog, that's if you want really dense fog. Or basically if you want fog. Does water vaporize? We'll decide if water will vaporize when you do that. I can't do that because this root beer is considered a water. Disable ambient light source. I actually don't know what that means. Hold up. So it will have no natural lights. Can player respawn here? We'll decide, can the player respawn here? Over here we have world type generation. Would you like it to be just like the overworld, a bunch of hills, floor? The nether, where there'll be like random different layers, or the end, where there's floating islands. We next go to portal, where you can decide if you actually want a portal or not. And then so you'd pick like a texture for the igniter. Sorry, excuse me. You'd choose like a texture for the portal. You'd decide where the igniter would go. You decide how much light does the portal make, what sound does it make, particle does it make, what block is the portal made of. But I'm not going to do any of that, because that is the simple way. If you just want to make a simple one, that's how you do it. I'm going to disable portal. Now, so that means that they cannot get to this dimension using a portal. So I'm going to save the mod element. I was working on pillow block. It is what it sounds like. It's a pillow block where, when you right-click on it, you will sleep. I saved it, right? Yeah, I saved Dreamland. So we go here. We do pillow block, right-clicked. So you could do one of these. What is this one? Oh, no, not that one. Wrong block. Mention. So, basically this decides, so this will switch it to the other dimension, Dreamland, or whatever you named yours. You can also make it where, like, gives them an achievement. I spelled achievement wrong. Achievement does not start with AH. Achievement, so you can add achievement. Okay, so do that. We'll make a quick achievement tutorial with this too. So you go to advancement, you make the achievement, advancement 1. And yeah, you name the achievement. Um, this is like the big name, and then below it you have the description. You can also use these advancements to make quests or lore. Um, so you choose an item for it. I'm going to choose the pillow block. You choose what the background is. I don't have any available because I haven't made any. Although I could make some, but not right now. So next you choose, is it a task, a goal, a challenge? That changes basically the shape of it. You choose if it's like part of a different one or if it's its own custom one, which will create a whole entire new achievement area. Show toast when complete will basically pop the thing in the up right corner, where it'll be like advancement get, blah blah blah. Announce chat will tell the chat when you get it. Hide if not completed will hide it, and hide advancement display will just hide it entirely. You can decide if it gives people some experience for getting the achievement. You could create it a function, like a function. So you'd make your function,